This is day 2 of turning my van into a proper camper. And I already got a problem. So the fridge won't fit unless I raise the floor.
First, I had to take everything out so I could access the floor. Then I cut the flooring, removed all the hinges, cutting the mat up. With everything stripped out, I measure up the space for a new raised floor. After that, I cut all the wood to size and started putting everything together. Once everything was fitted, I screwed everything into place and I hope I am measured correctly. And thankfully, it worked out.
Perfectly. Next, I need to figure out where the power station needs to be. Somewhere doesn't like bump around.